a quick video on how to get into a writing workshop with me, Mr. Lieberman, after you make an appointment. So make an appointment and then you get an email and I'll send you a link to get into our screen sharing Discord page, all right? So once you go into the link, they'll ask you to put your name in. Put something close to your real name. I'll put Lieber Teacher for right now, all right? And then I'll hit continue, all right? Once I get in, it's going to create the account. You have to make sure that you're not a robot. So I'm going to make sure I'm not a robot. I'm going to click all the traffic lights. Awesome. Verify. We're in. Cool. So once we start getting in, you can claim an account if you want, or you can just click to the side. That's the beauty of this, all right? So now you're in Discord, and you see over here on the left, it says Lieberman Live. That's where we want to go, all right? So you can just double click and you're automatically into my live session, alrighty? Now, there's one more thing that you might want to do. You might want to turn on your microphone. The microphone is down over here. That way I can hear you, all right? And we can talk to each other, all right? So you can just hit unmute. It'll ask you to allow the microphone. You can allow the microphone, and now your microphone is working. You can also tell that the microphone is working because when you talk, a green circle comes around your name. Talk. All right? I hope this helps. Have a great day, and I'll see you at your meeting.